Hello friends, today's date is 13th August 2021 and today's topic is encapsulation in a Java. So let's see what is the encapsulation. Encapsulation in a Java is a process of wrapping code and data together into a single unit. For example, a capsule which is mixed several medicines. We can create a fully encapsulated class in a Java by making all the data members of the class private. Now we can use the getter and setter method to set and get the data in it. The Java Bean class is the example of fully encapsulated class. Now we can see the advantages of encapsulation in a Java by providing the only a setter and getter method. You can we can make the class as read only or write only. In other words, we can skip the getter or setter methods. It provides you the control over the data. Suppose we want to set the value of id which should be greater than 100 only. You can write the logic inside the setter method, and you can write the logic not to store the negative number in the setter method. It is a way to achieve the data hiding in a Java because other class will not be able to access the data through the private data members. The encapsulation class is easy to test, so it is better for the unit testing, and the standard IDs are providing the facility to the generate the getter and setters. So it is easy and fast to create an encapsulated class in Java. Now we can see the simple example of encapsulation in Java. Now let's see the simple example that has only one field with its setter and getter methods. A Java class which is a fully encapsulated class, and it has a private data members and getter and setter methods. So we can create the class public class student, and then private data members, private string name. We use a getter method for the name, then public string get name and return the name. Now is the setter method for the name, then public void set name, string name, and this dot name is equal to name. Now create the another class test. Then in a main method, public static void main string arguments, we can create the instance of the encapsulated class class student s is equal to new student, that is setting the value in the name member, that is s dot set name, set name Vijay, that is getting the value of the name member, that is system.out.println in bracket s dot get name. Then compile this program and run this, then output will be shown as Vijay. Then we can see the another example is a read only class. Java Java class which has only getter method, then public class student, then we can create the declare the private data members, that is private string college is equal to AKJ, and we can create the getter method for college, that is public string get college, then return the college, then now we cannot change the value of the college data member which is AKG, then s dot set college in bracket kite, then will render the compile time error. Now we can see the write only class. Now we see the example only write only class, Java class which has only setter method. In this we cannot use the getter method. Then we can create the class student, then the can create the private data members, that is the private string college, and we can getter method for the college, then public void setter method for the college, public void set college, then string college, and this dot college is equal to college. Now we cannot get the value of the college, we can only change the value of the college data members. Suppose system.out.println s dot get college, then time compile time error, and system.out.println s dot college compile time error because the college data member is a private, so it cannot be accessed from outside the class. The another example of the encapsulation in a Java is a 4 fields with its setter and getter method. The account class is a fully encapsulated class, and it has a private data members, and getter and setter method, class account, then private data members, then private long account number, then private string name comma email, then private float amount, that is the public getter and setter method. This is public long get account number, then return account number, then public void set account number in bracket long account number, this dot account number is equal to account number, then public string get name, return the name, then public void set name string name, that is this dot name is equal to name, and public string get email, return the email, then public void set email, that is string email, and this dot email is equal to email, then public void get amount, it is return the amount, and public void set amount, that in bracket float amount, and this dot amount is equal to amount. Now we can create the main method, we can create the another class, and we can create the main method, and creating the instance of the account class. Account is equal to account AC is equal to new account, then setting values through the setter method, AC dot set account number, the account number 1 2 3 4 5 6, then AC dot set name Somo, C dot set name Somo, then AC dot set email somo @ gmail.com, then so AC dot set amount 5000 F. Now getting the values through the getter method, system.out.println AC dot get account number, then AC dot get name, and AC dot get email and AC dot get amount to run this program, and output will be shown on output will be shown on the consoles, that is 1 2 3 4 5 somo and somo@gmail.com, and salary and amount is 5000 F. So it's all about the information of the encapsulation in Java. Thank you so much.